guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then what's good? This is going to be another one of my TJ Maxx and Marshalls hauls. This is going to be a haul from 3 different stores. I'm supposed to be on a no-buy. And here we are today. This is going to be a much smaller haul than what I usually do on my channel. I wanted to show you guys that I don't always have the best of luck, but I did find some things that I was really looking for, so I'm super excited about it. But this is going to be a smaller haul today. Let's just jump right in. I'm going to start, obviously, as I usually do, with true Anna fashion, with stuff that's not makeup and beauty first, and then we'll get into the makeup. I just got these today, so they're still wrapped up. This music is terrible. And we go back to this one. I just got these today, so they're still wrapped up. I picked up some more Done stuff. I've been looking for specific mugs with specific sayings on them. I found a new one though, but I still have my list because now I can't find the other one. I picked up this one that just says be humble. I want the ones that have like more of like the trendy sayings on them. So I have Bay and now I have be humble. I want to find hustle still. And there's another Fleek. There's one that says Fleek. I want that one. This one was $5.99. It does say compare at $10. And then I had been wanting a new spoon rest for a while right by my stove, just because I've had the one that I have now forever and I just don't really like it on my counter. I really debated whether or not to get this, and finally I was just like, it's gonna be good. It's flat, it's like perfect. So another Done piece, it just says spoon. I like these because they're flat though, you know, so you can put like any type of spoon on it. I did also see one today that said rest on it. I was debating between that one, but I like this one better. So this one was $7.99. It does say compare at $14, but I'm into it. Is it cracked? It's like weirdly cracked, but it's not broken. I think it's okay though. Hopefully it'll be okay. I didn't notice that. Always check your TJ Maxx and Marshalls finds, especially glass. You guys know I am a planner addict, so I picked up more of the Kikki K planners because I told you guys I was going to if they marked them down. They marked them down so crazy low. I had no choice. Like, I got another one of the red ones, but I actually got this one for my mom because she said that she wanted one. I already have this one and this size. So they were originally trying to get them for $24.99, and this is just the Kikki K planner. It's the medium leather planner. It's so beautiful, and these are originally like super expensive planners. I think these are like $70 or $80 planners. Guess how much, you guys, that I got this one for my madre. I got this one. They marked it down like 17 times. It was only $6. $6. $6. So I got that for my mom. Still was in his box and everything. It's perfect. I wasn't going to get this one, you guys know, because I got the other ones that I have for like $20 and $16. I've already mentioned them now. I saw this one a while ago and I could not justify spending $20 on it just because I wasn't like super in love with it, but I thought it was cute. But they marked it down to $4. $4 for a Kikki K planner. And again, this is the medium leather planner. This one wasn't in its box, so, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. They originally wanted $24.99 for it. This one though had a little tiny issue with the rings. It was like the smallest gap in between just 2 of the rings, but I've just been trying to like squeeze them together and they seem to be okay, but everything is still in here. This one is super cute. So now I have 3 different colors of the little small ones, and I think I only have one of the bigger one, but I'm happy. I'm happy. Now getting into some of the beauty finds. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've already seen, I think, a few of these things, maybe just 1 or 2. I picked up the Derek Lam 10 Crosby perfume. These, you guys know I got that whole set of all of the like little minier size of these perfumes, so I was able to smell this before buying it. But I went in there the other day and this was $16, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, but tomorrow. Came back the next day and it was only $12. $12. She took off the other sticker. I don't know why. These, I don't know the original price that they were trying to get for them, but I see at one time it was marked down. The first red markdown is to $32, so I think they were originally trying to get these for $36. I know this size on Sephora's website goes for $85. So I spent $12 on an $85 perfume. This one is in the scent Ellipsis. I haven't even opened it yet because I want to show you guys that it's like all sealed and everything. But let's open it now so we can see everything in its true glory. It's totally sealed up, so. This is just like a paper, like a cardboard covering. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh, and then it's got like its own little seat. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, ooh. How does this work though? How does it spray? Oh, there we go. So you just kind of take it off and then it sprays. How luxe. And this one smells so good. I was spraying, oh, it's like magnetic. Whoa. I was spraying because, like I said, I have like the little minier size of them. So I've been spraying it in my car to just make sure that I really like the smell, even though it was only $12. But I have perfumes, so, you know, I wanted to make sure I liked it. And to me, I don't know why, but I feel like it smells like caramel-y. It smells like caramel to me, and that's all I think of. But it smells so good. So I did see a few other scents that they have. I can't remember what they were. They're still $26. I'm waiting for them to mark those down more, and then I'm gonna buy some more. Now into the makeup stuffs. It's not too much. I picked up some lashes. I have been seeing these, like, that sounded really weird. I said that really weird. I've seen these like every single time I've been in the store lately, and I just haven't bought them because like my lash drawer is like insane at this point. But I finally picked some of these up. This is just the Lashes for Days. It's the Pro Lash 5-pack by Cosmetic. High Drama Black. But you get 5 pairs of lashes for only $7.99. I like these ones the best, how they were like kind of separate-y. I don't know. I just like them. The only thing is they're super long. So we'll see how they look on my eyes because they're kind of long. And then this is my first time seeing some like this, like in this box. When I was there the other day, because I got this the same location that I got the perfume from, there was this style and another style, and I knew I was going back for both of them. Someone bought the other one. This is just the Revive Lashes, and these were $2.99. It says compare at $4 on here, but these look super nice. So I hope they go on well. I hope the band is nice and you can like work with it. We'll find out. But they're like super thick. Ooh. And then these last 3 things are something I have been on the hunt for. This one though, I saw the other day and I didn't get it because I didn't think it was the Casey Holmes highlighter. And I'm still kind of confused because it doesn't say it anywhere on here that it's her highlighter. So I'm still confused. But so this is the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in Pearl. This was $14.99. It says compare at $25. There's just the packaging, and then you get the color names on the back, typical of Smashbox. You have a nice mirror in there, and then you have your 3 highlighter shades. This, I think, is the lighter version of it. They do have the gold version also, and these I already swatched because I just had to. I'm still on the hunt for a few more things. I just haven't found them yet. First thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit. This was literally the only one that I saw in the store. And I'm mad. I went all around the store twice looking for them, and I couldn't find any more. I just found this one. So this is the Gradient, which is like the darker version of them. Come on, music. No music. This is the darker version of the blush kits. This was $19.99. It says compare at $33. Is that what they were when they first came out, or was it $40? This one, someone did swatch, but it was only one color in here, so I'm okay with it. I'll just spray it with some rubbing alcohol, you know? But so here is what the blush kit looks like. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And then again, you have the mirror, which still has the little protective thing on it. So this, like I said, is the darker version, and so you can tell where someone touched just the one color. So I shouldn't even mess with the other ones yet because I want to spray it, but I'm excited. I feel like I'm gonna have to go in with a super light hand, but I'm most excited for the purple. I don't know why, I've really been into purple blushes. It seems like it's difficult to do, but I really like purple blush. It sounds so weird. Whoa, and these are vegan and cruelty-free. The last thing, I honestly didn't think I was gonna find this, and then I ended up finding like 5 of these. So I was super excited. I checked them, made sure they weren't broken and or swatched before I bought it. So it is the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Trio palette. So they are 3 magnetized palettes in one, and it is bronze, highlight, and set. Super excited for this. So this was a little bit pricier, but I mean, it's Kevyn Aucoin. So this was $24.99. It says compare at $42. So in here, I wasn't really expecting this from like pictures, but when you take it out of the box, it comes in like this little clear pouch, which I think is kind of cool. You open it, and then you take these out, and they're magnetized. They kind of stick together. They're a lot smaller than I was expecting. I don't know why. From pictures, I just thought they were going to be bigger. They kind of like magnetized to each other, which is weird. I don't know why it's not the other way. It's this way to make like a palette. Oh, this one's not that strong now, is it? Oh, there we go. In here, you get the Neo Setting Powder, and these still have like the little clear protective things on them. You have the mirrors on them, and then you have the actual product. This though, I think was what Tati didn't really like, is the Neo Setting Powder, because it's so glittery, I think she had said. I think this was the product that she didn't really like, but hey. You also get, this is the Neo Limelight. It says Ibiza Iridescent Glow. Lastly, you get the Neo Bronzer. This is in the color Capri, Cool Pink. I don't know. Just like that. This was on the website as well, and I kept missing it. Every time I would see that it was there again, it was sold out by the time it was in my basket. So crazy short video today, right? So that is everything that I found for this TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried any of these products or still on the hunt for them. I was gonna say something else and I just totally drew a blank. But anyways, so I wanted to show you guys though that I don't always find like a huge ton of things, and a lot of times anyways when I do my hauls, they might be from like a few days, maybe even a few weeks, and that's why I have so much stuff. So for the end of this video, I'm just gonna throw out some good vibes your way in case you guys are looking for anything in particular at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You guys are gonna find it. I believe in you. I have it for you. The positivity. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.